What are you talking about?
Isolation.
Here we are at the big moment. Best Picture of the Year. The winner is...
It was at this moment that cinematic history could have been made. The first time a forward-thinking science fiction film could win the utmost validation of the world of filmmaking.
What's the problem?
I think you know what the problem is just as well as I do.
The problem was that 2001 was not even nominated for Best Picture, so they gave it to Oliver instead. Musicals were once a top draw at the movies. They provided just the escape people craved while living in a Depression-era world. The glitzy and glamorous musical numbers invited moviegoers to step out of their everyday lives and into a world of opulence and delight.
That recording was made by Krell musicians 500,000 years ago. Now, if you will follow me, I will show you some of their other remaining artifacts. Krell metal. Try your blaster there, Commander.
And this, I called this, I pompously gave it a new name, which I called it ambient music. And it became something I no longer recognize.
Well, I only make music for myself. It's a relation between just me and making music, and there's no other factor that interrupts it at all. So press and what anybody else says is totally irrelevant.
This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade. And the papers want to know whose shirt you wear.
Among a number of films that made a deep impression upon me in the 60s, I think one of the most important at the very end was 2001, Stanley Kubrick. It was the sense of isolation that I related to. That, in combination with a number of other elements, set the pattern for a lot of the kinds of music that I wrote.
First evidence of intelligent life.
I've always believed the ultimate goal is to get the best picture one can. Entertaining movies with good stories all contain a single basic message, that human dignity is always worth preserving.